Hi, everybody. I'm Lonnie Quinn. Well, for your day today, you hit 74 degrees. That's pretty good, right? I mean, 7 degrees above the average of 67, except that was at 1:15 in the morning, okay? Temps dropped all day long. Your lowest temperature reading of the day really is outside right now, 63, 64 degrees, depending on where you are, all day long. Okay, you've been in, say, the lower to mid-60s. A raw day out there, a cool day. Well, for tonight's baseball game for the Yankees out there at Yankee Stadium, it is damp and cool. Maybe a slight little rain chance. I just don't think it's the big stuff. Fair amount of cloud cover for your day on Tuesday. There will be a few more breaks in the clouds, a little peak of sun here or there. Temperatures, though, will be on the rise, so you're milder tomorrow, and then you could even see 80 degrees on Wednesday. If you take a look at your vortex radar and satellite, all this cloud cover, pesky cloud cover that we've had out there today, due to an easterly breeze coming in right off the water, and it pushes those clouds on shore, and you get the sort of day that we had. Well, the bigger picture will show you the air mass that we watch for tomorrow. So you're still going to have some cloud cover out there. But this air mass, like around Kentucky, moves in. It's got a little bit of trace moisture with it. I don't think you're going to see too much rain tomorrow, but there's a slight chance, okay? But some peaks of sun here or there. As of right now, the biggest weather story we can talk about is right here, and it's basically just off the western tip of Cuba. That's Hurricane Michael. Hurricane Michael is right now churning winds of around 80 miles per hour. It's 500 miles to the south of, say, Panama City, Florida. That's the direction this is moving in. But, of course, that could change. There's always wobbles involved. I want to show you how this is forecast to progress. So it goes from a Cat 1 right now to a Cat 2 sometime tomorrow, to a Cat 3, we think, sometime on Wednesday. And Wednesday would be the day for a possible landfall. And now, look, there's a couple things involved here. Cat 3 is a major hurricane. And this, I think this is going to have life-threatening effects no matter what happens. But there's a big old swath of dry air just to the west of the storm. And if this gets infused into that system, it may not make it to a Cat 3. It doesn't make a difference, okay? Remember, Florence was forecast to be a 3 or a 4. Coming on shore, it was a 1, and look at how horrible that storm was. There will be some big storm surge with this on the right-hand side of that path. Then it gets pushed off to the east-northeast, staying south of our area because there's a front that's going to come through, and that pushes it out to sea. We will get glance, possibly with a little bit of moisture, but I just don't see, as of right now, with this track, a big impact on us. I think the bigger impact is going to be from the front that pushes it out to sea. So what do we get? We get numbers that look like this. You're waking up 64 degrees. It's cloudy. It's mild. Some fog out there. Again, you're not getting rid of this cloud cover for your day tomorrow, but there will be some breaks out there. It's warmer, more humid at 78, and the extended forecast looks like this. You'll be 79, if not 80, on Wednesday. Sort of a late summery touch to the feel of the air. Thursday, you're 77. Friday, 65. If you see an effect from the hurricane that we were just pointing out there, it would be on Thursday and Friday, but the cooler air behind it would be in place for Saturday. But look at that, a high temperature of only 59. So mild air, then any effects of Michael on Thursday, Friday, then cooler air sets up. You can keep it right here or watch us on TV, CBS2 or WLNY 1055.